Cast Heather. Then aged 20 years. Now aged 43 years. Real name Mena Suvari. Cast Mena Stifler. Then aged 13 years. Now aged 36 years. Real name Ellie Marienthal. Cast Stifler's mom. Then aged 38 years. Now aged 61 years. Real name Jennifer Coolidge. Cast Finch. Then aged 19 years. Now aged 41 years. Real name Eddie. Cast Mr. Levenstein. Then aged 53 years. Now aged 75 years. Real name Eugene Levy. Cast Oz. Then aged 20 years. Now aged 43 years. Real name Chris Klein. Cast Jessica. Then aged 20 years. Now aged 43 years. Real name Natasha Lyonne. Cast Chuck Sherman. Then aged 19 years. Now aged 42 years. Real name Chris Owen. Cast Nadia. Then aged 26 years. Now aged 49 years. Real name Shannon Elizabeth. Cast Kevin. Then aged 19 years. Now aged 42 years. Real name Thomas Nicholas. Cast Jim Levenstein. Then aged 21 years. Now aged 44 years. Real name Jason Biggs. Cast Albert. Then aged 18 years. Now aged 41 years. Real name Eric Lively. Cast Sarah. Then age 18 years. Now age 42 years. Real name Eden Rigel. Cast English teacher. Then age 51 years. Now age 74 years. Real name Clyde Cusatso. Cast Steven Stifler. Then age 23 years. Now age 46 years. Real name Seann William. Cast Tom Meyers. Then age 24 years. Now age 47 years. Real name Casey Affleck. Cast MILF Guy. Then age 27 years. Now age 50 years. Real name John Cho. Cast Victoria. Then age 24 years. Now age 47 years. Real name Tara Reid. Cast Michelle. Then age 25 years. Now age 47 years. Real name Alison Hannigan. Thanks for watching.